What's up, YouTube?
What up?
We are back here at YB Works. It's your boy Bly behind the camera, Nick's in front of the camera right now. We are still working on our 5.3 LS heads. We have some bolts that we have to get out. We're going to get right into the video today. We're working on some heads right now. We got to get these bolts out. See if I can give you guys a little bit of a close-up there. Stuck there. Stuck there. And then that one's just broke off, sticking out pretty good.
Line up a washer and a nut and do the little welding trick. See if we can get both of these out. Hopefully it works fine. Hopefully it don't give us no trouble, but we're gonna find out. Didn't work. Which I know why, because I'm recording, but put absolutely no prep into that. None of that shiny. It's still oily and greasy from all the cleanup we've been doing. Really good. Hard and weird. Made like a little tunnel.
Bolts and nuts.
That's gonna hold off. I'm not lying to myself that fast. That worked very well. Better than I originally thought it was going to.
Yeah, that.
Only one failed attempt,
Yeah, that's pretty good there. That's
and that was my fault. So
whose fault?
my fault.
It's
Forgot the prep work.
all good.
But yeah, pretty much it works great as long as you do your little bit of prep work, clean the top of them so your weld actually has something to stick to, not a woolly nasty stud. And then other than that, it's pretty simple. Just don't go too hard once you get welded on and you're trying to break everything loose. Be gentle then, but apply pressure. And other than that, like, little Harbor Freight welder did the job.
Alright guys, so we got the table cleaned off and we got our boxes of parts. These have been ordered over time, so we ain't quite 100% sure which all parts we got. We know we still need a few more, but we need to check real quick and see what all we do have, so we know what else we need to order before we start the assembly of this motor, just to make sure we have everything before we start assembling. So Nick here is going to get started popping these things open.
You know what, the one day I absolutely don't have a knife on.
Well, and also guys, I will have a link in the description. I will find all of these, and there will be a link in the description to all of these different parts. Again, this is for the 5.3 LM7 truck motor, iron block, pretty much a LS1, right?
I'm not sure which LS, I think.
5.3 anyway.
Yes,
Pretty much the same on most of the 5.3s or the 4.8s.
So,
There them stink bugs everywhere, guys.
intake manifold gasket.
Look at him. Yeah, get out of her. And this was a whole gasket kit that I bought all at once there.
Does it look like injector tubes, gas, or seals, or I can't say for 100% sure. I think those are for the injectors. Not sure what that's
Throttle
for
body?
either. Nah, it's too small for a throttle body.
Okay.
Not sure. Not sure what these are for either. Oh, these look like front and rear main seal on it, actually, kinda. I'm not sure on this motor. So there's our oil pan stuff. And oh no, this is throttle body, everything. All the rubber stuff. So we got the actual injector gaskets there. Those are for the pressure tube or something like steam tube, I believe maybe that's what it's called. We got O-rings for everything. There's a lot in there, so
It was a full gasket kit that I bought, so
yeah.
should.
Valley plate gasket, exhaust manifold gaskets, head gaskets. That is the timing chain cover, seals, two different ones. Maybe that's for the back. I don't know. And the oil pan gasket.
So that looks like all of the gaskets we're gonna need. I don't
Yeah,
know.
this is probably more gaskets than what we actually need.
Yeah. I don't think we're gonna need any more gaskets than that, to be honest. That's why I bought that kit though. So
Yeah.
again, link is in the description. If you guys use our link, any of our links to purchase these items, these are budget items to basically just refresh your LS motor. If you guys use any of our links, they will. It is an affiliate link, so it will help us out. It will pay us just a small portion of whatever you buy, and we will use that and reinvest it directly into the channel. So if you need these parts and you want to help support YB Works, please use the links in the description. This should be our low mount oil pan that we need to fit it into the S10. And if I remember right, it's supposed to have the pickup tube and everything with it. This was the cheapest one of these I could find too, and it has the oil pan gasket.
So we have a nice, honestly, looks like an aluminum oil pan gasket with the rubber on the inside end. So we do have the pickup tube.
There you go. Oh yeah.
Comes with the new pickup tube. That's nice. Let's get this out of the way. We have hardware.
Nice.
And I believe that's the piece for the oil filter, like where it steps out, the oil filter gasket. And
Nice.
And then, this is bag. Yes, this is bag. Ooh.
Oh yeah, it's always nice to open something nice and shiny. Something aluminum, you know what I mean?
Oh yeah. It's nice. See. Yeah. I'm gonna slide that, or attempt to slide that back in here.
I want to say that this was $160, where most of these kits are like $250 plus. So, a lot of them are like $300 plus. I found this one on Amazon for $160, and it actually came with the pickup tube and everything, which was a big plus. But I didn't know it came with the extra gasket and all of that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Is that? Is it the one in here look like that?
I think it was that big. It may be. Oh yeah, it is.
Okay. The one we took off wasn't nothing like that.
The one we took off was paper,
Yeah.
cardboard, whatever they make them out of.
It was leaking too, so like, I guess that'll tell you a little something, something. So hopefully we fix that problem. And we'll know because the oil pan is super clean, so you'll know if it's leaking.
And another bag.
What is this? This is where these are the 3 boxes I don't know what's in necessarily. I have a small guess, but this one might be head bolts, I think.
They did a really good job at packaging this, I will say. Maybe a little excessive, depending on what's actually in here. Assuming we can get in here. That is our lifter cups. Lifter trays. Lifters. Ooh. Now, well, y'all can see those, but
That's nice packaged. Brand new lifters. Brand new lifter trays. Once again, like we said, we're doing a basic refresh of this motor. We're not rebuilding everything, but
we don't want it to fail once we start driving.
yeah, we can get rid of most of the little things that we can afford to do and just rebuild that. Clean everything up. Should be a nice smooth running motor when we put it together.
This is motor mounts.
Motor mounts, baby.
That's everything we need for the motor mounts. I don't think I'm gonna pull all of this out.
Okay. That's fine. Motor mounts. So we got motor mounts.
Then last one. We have head bolts.
Yeah, that's a full head bolt kit.
Yes.
At that, so should have all the shorts, longs, everything. Yeah.
So I see at least three different sizes. So we still need push rods, rocker arms.
So we still need push rods, rocker arms, valves, and we'll see about valve springs. These look fine, but
yeah,
they got to come off anyway. If they're cheap enough, we'll get them too.
Now we know what we have here. We know what we need to get. We got us a small list together. So once we get everything here, we can get everything put together. And once we get everything put together as far as the motor, we can continue the project forward and make better leaps and bounds as far as the actual truck itself goes. Alright, that's going to wrap it up for today. We're going to go ahead and get our parts ordered, so that way once everything's here, we roll through. We're going to continue to clean stuff probably behind the scenes a little bit. We'll show y'all a little bit of that. But if you like the videos, hit the like button, share, subscribe to the channel. If you have any suggestions or know any of the parts I just said we need at a decent kit price, comment it down below. Comment any questions, concerns like that. We try to check all our comments. So we're going to end it on that one. See you in the next video.